So, you want to visit Disney but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Disneyland is in California, but Disney World is in Florida, and that's the big one we're focusing on today. Disney World includes 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, Disney Springs for dining and shopping, plus more than 25 themed resorts with free transportation. Here's a quick park breakdown. Magic Kingdom is your classic Disney with the castle and iconic rides. Epcot has World Showcase dining, Frozen, Guardians of the Galaxy, and Soarin'. Hollywood Studios is home to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Toy Story Land, and Tower of Terror. Animal Kingdom brings Pandora, the Avatar world, along with safaris and real animals. Staying in the Disney bubble means extra park hours, dining plan options, amazing pools, and resorts that feel like part of the magic. And the best part? Booking with me is completely free. I'll handle the planning so you can relax and enjoy your trip. Subscribe for more Disney tips, and check the link below to start planning today.